In the previous section, we learned about Ember models and Ember data. In this section, we will first learn to use Ember Logger. Further, we will see how to use Ember Inspector and verify deprecations. We will also learn to use acceptance testing and unit tests. In the end, we will test components, routes, models, and controllers. Here is the first video of this section. We will see how to use Ember Logger. In this video, we see how to create a simple program to use Ember Logger, and we will check different types of loggers. Ember Logger is a robust type of logging in Ember. It goes beyond the capabilities of imports.console. In this video, we'll take a look at some examples on how to work with it in your application. So let's start. In this project, we'll create a simple program that demonstrates how to use some of the Ember logging capabilities. Let's go to our terminal. As you can see here, this is a new program application. Now you need to add a new index route. This command will create a new index route. Edit the index.js file in the routes folder of the application directory. Here we need to add some new logging. Ember logging gives us 5 different logging options. All these different types of log methods accept 1 or more arguments. Each argument will be joined together and separated by a space when written to the browser console window. Logger.info. This is the basic form of logging in Ember. It simply logs the values to the browser console. The info logger logs a message to the console as an info message. In Firefox and Chrome, a small eye icon is displayed next to the item, which we will see later. Logger.error. Here the error log prints to the console with an error icon, red text and stack trace. Logger debug. The debug log prints to the console in blue text. Logger.warn. The warning log will print to the console with a warning icon. Logger assert. The assert statement will return an error and stack trace if the value returns false. Fire up the Ember server using the command Ember server as we did earlier. Let's go to our developer tool and open a console. This is the screenshot of output, how it looks in Chrome. The Ember Logger is a more powerful console logger. It's a robust logging tool to make debugging easier. Ember.logger is built in the Ember CLI package. Nice! So now we know how to use Ember Logger.